Hey guys, in this video I will talk about PHP 5 string functions. The PHP string functions are part of the PHP core. No installation is required to use these functions. First function is HTML entity decode. Converts HTML entities to characters. HTML entities. This function will convert characters to HTML entities. HTML special case underscore decode converts some predefined HTML entities to characters. HTML special case. This function converts some predefined characters to HTML entities. Implode. This function returns a string from the elements of an array. Join. This function alias of implode. Else first. This function converts the first character of a string to lowercase. 11th returns the 11th distance between two strings. Local con returns local numeric and monetary formatting information. Altrim. This function removes white space or other characters from the left side of a string. MD5 calculates the MD5 hash of a string. MD5 underscore file calculates the MD5 hash of a file. Metaphone calculates the metaphone key of a string. Money underscore format returns a string formatted as a currency format. Anal underscore lang info returns specific local information. Anal to br. This function inserts HTML line breaks in front of each new line in a string. Number format formats a number with grouped thousands. ORD returns the ASCII value of the first character of a string. Pass underscore str passes a query string into variables. Print. This function outputs one or more strings. Printf outputs a formatted string. Quoted underscore printable underscore decode converts a quoted printable string to an 8-bit string. Quoted underscore printable underscore encode converts an 8-bit string to a quoted printable string.